Hello viewers on YouTube channel. I'm your guy Ponaroso. So if it's your first time you're visiting this channel, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to click that bell icon to enable notifications. So guys, welcome to YouTube channel. In this video today, I'll be showing you on how to upgrade from Windows 8 to Windows 10. So you're now advancing to Windows 10. So the process of upgrading is now moving to a higher version of certain software. So at this point you're moving from Windows 8.1 to Windows 10. So before you proceed, you have to check for the system. So you have the properties of your system. So you have various ways of checking for that. So press the combination of Windows and R key, then type msconfig. Type msinfo32, then press enter. So guys, at this point, this is now the window that you have to identify all the properties of your system. So you can see I'm having OS. The operating system is of Windows 8.1. So you now want to move to Windows 10. So that's the simplest way of confirming the type of the operating system that you're having. So you have various ways, but that's the first one. The other way, you can go to the command prompt and type system info, then press enter. You know the type of operating system that you're having. So guys, you go straight away to the topic of the day. So you're advancing from Windows 8.1 to Windows 10. So we just have to run the setup. So this is now the folder containing the Windows 10 files. So the simple way if you want to do at this point, just have to run this setup. So I'm going to highlight the setup for you. So you just run that setup.exe. So click on yes. So by doing this, the system will be upgrading from Windows 8.1 to Windows 10. So during this process, your system may be restarting, and that's just a normal thing. So don't be worried during the process. So you can see the Windows is preparing to install. So just wait and proceed. So at this point, there are some various things that you have to know about the upgrade. So you have to get updates, drivers, and optional features. So these updates will help the installation go smoothly and can include important files, updated devices, drivers, and additional files which are not on the installation media. If you don't install these updates now, your PC might not function properly after the installation, and you might need to reinstall some optional features and languages. So the best thing you want to do, you have to download updates, drivers, and optional features at the moment. So just check. I want to help make the installation of Windows better privacy. So at this point, let me just highlight it for you. So down here, have to check this box. So during installation, you may get the assistant. So check that box and then you click on next. Getting updates, checking for updates, Windows, and certain things. So this laptop, these are just a laptop. It's containing 8.1, though Windows 8 and 8.1 are just garbage. They are just kind of 12 version of Windows 10. So now moving up to Windows 10. So as you run this setup, let me just highlight a few things for you. So these are Windows 10 setup. So again, so guys, during this process you must be patient, because this operating system should check your PC and getting something ready. So Now we are talking about the files, the registry files, the storage, the location disk, so the local disk, the arrangement of the files. Now we're talking about we are getting a few things ready for you. This means that the current software is now checking the operating system that you want to install is now checking the current software and making some changes to the registry files, to the local disk, and very many things, even the installation programs. So you now be moving from the low operating system to a higher version. So at the moment, the Windows 7 is now down. We don't have the support for that, so you're now doing with the Windows 10. So guys, at this window, so at this point you can see applicable notices and license terms. Please read these so that you know what you're agreeing to. So I would advise you just to read these things, not just continuing with the installation, because you may mess up at some point. So Microsoft software license terms, Windows operating systems. So if you read the agreement, you read the terms of license, and then you proceed the installation. So you click on accept. So you can see just what happens, making sure you're ready to install. So this now makes your PC now at the point you're moving to the next operating system. So you should have some options. You're now choosing, you're selecting the best options for you. Some features. So while talking about features, is what you want to be done to your PC, or if you want to back up your files, you want to restore the files. At some point you'll have that option, or even if you want just to clean your PC, just format it completely and have no backup for that. So you still have a way to do that, and also you have another way to back up your information, because you just to access them at a later point. So viewers, you have to be patient and less getting updates, so these may take some time. So you are 2% or now at 10%, so checking for updates. So again, you'll just be moving on from 10%, 20%, and so on to 100%, and then you proceed the next level. Then as I've told you earlier, that your PC will be restarting, and then from that point, just don't get worried, because at that point it's now where some files are being updated and some changes being done to your PC. So you must be patient and until the process completes. So making sure you're ready to install. This may take a few minutes. So as I go by the rule, is a patient space, and indeed you have to wait and be monitoring your PC at every time, because you may find sometimes it will continue rebooting after some time, or you need to be there because at some point it can't just automatically pick the next setting. You have to select the settings for yourself. Now here, ready to install, you won't be able to use your PC while Windows installs. Save and close your files before you begin. So guys, you have to close the current files. So you just close the files, and then at this point you now restart your PC. During the installation, your PC will restart. So as you can see, you're having the two items here. So I'll just highlight them for you. So you have install Windows 10, and then here you check at this point, keep your personal files and apps. So that's something that I was telling you previously. So before you proceed the installation, you have to make sure that you're installing the right operating system, and again you're having your files and apps backed up. So again, you have you can choose to go back or proceed with the installation. So your PC, your choice. So the best thing, just select it. So you can again change on what to keep. You can click on change on what to keep. So you can select on keep personal files, keep personal files only, keep personal files and apps. You also have keep having nothing to keep. So that's the first item that you have to select. Maybe you will be able to manage your Windows settings. So the second one, keep personal files only. Your settings and apps will be deleted, but your files will be kept. So you have select that. Or the last option you have just nothing to be backed up. So everything will be deleted, including files, apps, and settings. So in my case, I just don't want everything to be kept safe. So just click on that and I click on next. If you want to keep your files only and delete the applications, so you select the second option. Again, if you want to keep nothing for you, just select the third option and then you click on next. So getting updates, this may take a few minutes. So checking for updates, those are the things that your system will be telling you. So you proceed the installation and then your computer will restart. So you have to close any items that is running, or the files or the windows that are open, so before proceeding with the installation. If you haven't saved your data, your information, just please make sure you save it at this point before the computer restarts. So guys, at this point you are moving on with the installation of Windows 10. So your PC will start several times. This might take a while. So you are 4% guys, and we're going up to 100%. So I just highlight this for you. As I've told you, your PC will be restarting. So it will restart. Your PC will start, and this might take a while. So you just be patient and wait until the PC reaches 100%. So you're here. That's now at 4% complete. Then you can select also have console, so you choose for yourself. But just because of this video and you're making it, so just let the installation proceed, so the upgrade proceed. So just allow it to continue. 30% complete, 31, and so guys, you're just moving on up to the 100%. And from there you just have your PC well and okay for the installation, because you'll be dealing now with a Windows 10, and stay away from the other operating systems. Now I'm not discouraging you if you are still using Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, because they are still the best operating systems, even though they are being phased out. We still have Windows 7 as some features that aren't there in Windows 10. So there's some, not all operating systems are better than the others, because every operating system has its own importance, has its own advantages and disadvantages. So we may be talking of the features. Again, we may find that some operating systems will only need professionals, or those people who are literate, well known or well versed with their computers. So guys, just upgrade to the next level, so we move together on the same line. So because Windows 7 is now, the help support is now out, it's no longer there. So but you can still use the Windows 7, but you not be able to update your drivers online, you not have the online support. So now 50% guys, just 50% complete. This is halfway. So you're just keeping be patient, just see the vast features for when you be talking about Windows. So 50%, this It's such a nice improvement, guys. 50%. This halfway, so you just need to be patient and then keep watching, guys, as I'll be showing you the other very important features that you have to set them right after the upgrade. So you need to configure some things right and set things right after the configuration. So after the upgrade to Windows 10, so you need to set some files. You need to set, maybe if you need to set your passwords and user accounts, and keep some files saved for the future use. Not 15, 59, 64%. We're just moving on, right? So 95, guys, still moving on. So yeah, 95%, still wait for 96, guys. You're going to come from 97, 98, 99, 100, then the PC will restart. So guys, after the restart, you now have very many features for you. Just keep watching, because I'm just going to show you more and tell you a lot after the upgrade. Some settings you need to configure and set them right. So guys, our PC will restart in a few moments. So guys, now after restarting the PC, so we've now upgraded from Windows 8.1 to Windows 10. So let's just confirm it after the restarting and all the process. If you had set the password for yourself, so the PC will prompt you to enter the password, and then you proceed to accessing your system. So just let's see the upgrade. So press the combination of Windows and Add, then type MS-Info32, then you press enter. So as you can see at this point, you're dealing with the Windows 10, Microsoft Windows 10 Home. So I've just upgraded it from that Windows 8.1. You're now at Windows 8 Home. Sorry, Windows 10 Home. That's the Windows that you are currently using at the moment of the upgrade. The other very simple way of checking that, click on this PC. So you go and click to this PC, then you access the Windows. So let me just highlight it for you. So you go to this PC, click on that, and then you will have all your files. Maybe they'll get the information. So you click on this PC. Yeah. So right click at that point. So we just first let's open it. Turn to this PC, the Explorer window. Right click on that, then click on Properties. And as for now, you will see and you'll have to know about the Windows. So this is the activated. Sorry, this is now the window after upgrading. So you are using Windows 10 Home. So guys, this does the simple video of how to upgrade from any lower version of Windows to a higher version. So in this case, you have been upgrading from Windows 8.1 to Windows 10 Home. So guys, if you have any question concerning this video, just comment down below in the comment section, and I'll give you a quick response. So again, let me know the type of operating system that you're using. Just comment down below. If you're using Windows 7, Windows 10, 8.1, Windows 8, just comment down below. And if you're having any challenges installing operating system, just comment down below and I'll get back to you. So make sure you subscribe and get some more videos like this and even others. So the ones that you request, so give me more likes and views, and then remember to share the video with friends. Thanks for watching.